What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video you will be learning about how to write an apology email for missing deadline. So it's gonna be pretty easy. If you're a new one to the Claude and you haven't used connectors before, make sure you stick to the video till the end. Just go to the plus sign, go to the connectors. Over here you will see add connector option, and as we're using the Gmail, just go ahead and connect Gmail. Now, once we have connected it, you will see that we can send the Gmail emails through the Gmail by just giving one click and giving the recipient email to the Claude. Now, I have wrote a detailed description of a prompt where I have specified the role of Claude, how to write an email, and I'm using commanding power of Robert Crane with the tactical empathy and psychological leverage of Chris Voss, where it will write emails with a blend of these two authors. Now coming back to the apology email, as you guys can see that apology email needs a lot of sympathizing and also being very down to earth and confronting that I have made this mistake, I have pushed through the deadline. Now I'm reaching out to you that you know that the other person is frustrated, so you need to psychologically available and you should have the leverage of psychologically reading the mind of the other person. So I owe you a direct conversation. Hi, your name. I imagine you are frustrated. You brought me into the meeting, meet a standard, and I did not meet. This is on me, not on the circumstances around it. I'm not going to walk you through the reason. What I'll do is to tell you exactly where the breakdown happened, what I have already done to correct it, and the specified revised timeline I'm committing to now. The original deadline was day, so the new delivery date is I will send you a progress report every 48 hours between now and then, so you are never left guessing. You trusted this engagement to me. I take this seriously, and I would welcome a call today or tomorrow if you want to speak directly. So this is the right way to approach it professionally. I hope you find this pretty helpful. See you in the next one. Take care.